Hydrangeas are popular shrubs with colourful flowers that bloom throughout summer and autumn. Westland Hydrangea High Performance Liquid Plant Food has been tailored to meet the needs of hydrangeas for even more beautiful blooms. The feed is enriched with essential nutrients, including iron for low acidic soils. With a moisture control booster and a biostimulant for stress tolerance, hydrangeas are kept healthy whilst promoting an abundance of beautiful blooms. The feed builds tolerance to pests and diseases to help maintain plant health. What's more, it's pet, child and bee friendly, meaning there's no horrible pesticides, so you don't have to worry. To use, simply pour 50 millilitres of feed into the dosing cap and add 4.5 litres of water into a watering can. Water your hydrangeas, but be careful not to get any feed on the foliage. Watch them grow an abundance of beautiful, healthy blooms.